Hi, Mommy. Hi there. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness, hello. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Hi, Pumpkin. Oh, that's the cutest thing ever. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. It's Valbert and the Pumpkinator. And a Sprinkles. Praleen's busy. Praleen is busy. Hi, come here. Oh, so adorable. Should we close this? It's a little chilly in here for kittens. Hi, Mommy. Oh, it's so dark in here, too. Oh, kittens. Hi, Mommy. Guess what? Let's weigh these big fat kittens. Let's weigh them. Where's everybody? Where's Truffle? Oh, Truffle. You're such a scamp. You're not supposed to be. Did your mommy carry you over there, or did you do it? I feel like you did it because you're a little scamp. Do you have any drool on you? Let me see your neck. Drool. I don't see any drool. Hi. I know I see you. Look at Piggy Praleen. Need to refill the food. Here you go, Mom. Oops. Oh, hi. Now I'm gonna weigh you. I'm gonna weigh you. Let's get this before you knock it over on someone. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, let's weigh some kittens. Let's weigh them. Hi, Mums. Oh, you're so cute. Here we go. Plumpy Praleen. Maybe I should do it over there where I have a hard surface. Good job, Pumpkin. Good job, buddy. Oh, you guys have been so scampy today, huh? Hi, Punks. Oh, Pumpkins. You're so cute. Okay. Alright. Hi. Oh, okay. Alright, hi, Mom. Oh, you're so pretty. Maybe we do some outside time again tomorrow, huh? If you want to. Oh, brisket. Oh, such a good brisket. For those of you that are speculating, they do sound like a herd of elephants downstairs. Yes, they do. March 16th. 47 days old. Hi, Mom. Hi. Oh, it's okay. You're going to see my mouth? You're going to see my mouth holding me. Oh, no. Hi, Mama. What a nice mom. Where are you going? Let's see. Let's start with this one. A Snickers noodles. No, don't. Okay. How? 1 pound, 12 3/4 ounces. No, what has happened? So that would be 28 3/4. Snickerdoodle is eating. everybody's thirsty. Praline, after pigging out, 1 pound 13 and 3/4. So she's 29.75. Whoa, that's up a lot. It's a big gain. That's a huge 1.5 ounces. This is what happens when they start eating normal food. Hi, Squinky Squinky. I know you've been eating kibble too. Oh my goodness. We have a 2-pounder. We have a 2-pounder. 2 pounds and 1/4. So that's 32 and 1/4. Oh my goodness. So he's going to be ready for his neuter in a couple of days. Potentially 2 days, but he's too young. We don't do it till 8 weeks anyway, but wow. Pumpkin has got to catch up. Pumpkin is totally this little scamp right here. Let's see how you did today. 1 pound 8 ounces, so 24. So up a little bit. Okay. Okay, buddy. Guess what? Guess what, buddy? It's time. Today's the day, buddy. Nope. Oh, we're not gonna go play. Don't get distracted. No, don't get distracted. Look. No, come here. We're gonna do it. Today's the day we're gonna do it, buddy. Kibble. We're gonna get them in the kibble spot. Nope. You're falling behind. You're gonna hold everybody up. Yeah, see? It's not so bad, is it? Not so bad. Is it embarrassing being the only one that needs milkbar all the time? Spit it back out. Oh my goodness. You spit those both back out. Little stamp. Oh my goodness. What a little stamp. Look. It tastes good though, doesn't it? Oh, here we go. All right. First self-serve kibble down the hatch. Oh, Snoodles. Don't distract your brother. We're doing some important work over here, buddy. Look at him. Look, it's just happened. It's just happened. Success. See that? We have just gotten our last kitten incubated. See, dummy? That's what you've been missing this whole time. That's why Sprinkles outweighs you by 10 ounces almost. Well, not almost 10. There's a whole bowl of it here. Floor snacks are always so much more compelling than bowl snacks at first. We have to work our way up to bowl snacks. Hey, don't distract your brother. Your brother's doing some very important work right now. Your brother's doing his kibble work right now. We don't interrupt kibble work time. Who else? No, Valbert. Oh, Valbert. How much do you weigh? Whoops, did I let it 0? Valbert, your next drops. All feet inside. No. No, wait. Ooh, Valbert is feeling pretty hefty. 1 pound. No, wait. 1 pound 14 ounces for Valbert, so 30 ounces, right? Yep, everybody is having, you can tell from the weights who's eating kibble and who isn't. Hi, Truffy Trucks. Oh, Truffy Trucks, you're so cute. You're so adorable. Look at Pumpkins go. He's not quite ready to make the leap to the bowl. Oh my goodness. Such a little sissy. Oh my goodness, come here. Look at Praline's getting Mama over there. She's getting a bath. And kicks in the face. Alright, Milk, where are you going? I didn't get it. You go here. Truffle is 1 pound and 11.5 ounces. So that would be 27.5. 27.5. Hey, did you not eat enough kibble today? There you go. Look at Pumpkin. Suddenly, kibble is a lot more exciting. Now you get it, don't you? Punky Punks. What are you doing? Little scamps. Oh my goodness. Little scamps. Where are you going, Sprinks? Good boy, Punky Punks. Keep going. Don't get distracted by that silly sprinkles. You need your nails trimmed, don't you? Where did I put my nail clippers? Oh, they're way over there. You should do your nails, shouldn't I? You should go get it. Now he's got to clean himself. All right, I'm gonna get the nail clippers, and then someone's going to get their nails clipped. You know what else? Some people find this delicious too. Like, what if we put a little piece of this on the floor? Would you eat that? Woo. Look, what do you think about this? So funny. So funny how some of them 100% prefer kibble and some of them 100% prefer the wet food. So funny. Hi, I know. I see your little toes. There's an awkward angle for me. There we go. Whoa, that's a long one, huh? Oh, Mommy's gonna thank me for this. What a good girl. What a good little truffle. What an exceptional little specimen. I know. Two more. Two more. What a good girl. That's a long one. There we go. Good job. Oh, what a good little truffle. What a good little truffle. Oh my goodness. Floor kibble time. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you were searching for something. Valley Val. Ooh, the ears haven't been doing well either, huh? Oh, I know. I'm so behind and everything. This one's really long. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Let's see this side too. Oh, yeah. What a good boy. One more. What a good boy. How about thumbs? Let's do some thumbs. Thumbs are always such an awkward angle. Oh, Valbert. It's much easier to do toenails when kitties are sleepy than when they're in attack mode. Oh! Oh. Ugh. Hi, Mommy. I used to do Mommy's nails. That's what I would. Oh, I've done yours recently, sort of recently. Some of yours looks like they've been done. Oh, what a good boy. Hi, Mommy. Let me trim in some toenails. Do you want yours done? You need a pedicure. Hmm? Balance. Oops, watch your toes. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Good boy. Oh, what a good boy. Good. One more. What a good boy. Oh my goodness. You're a scamp. Hey, Mommy, come here. What are the odds Mommy will let me do a toenail? Hi, Mama. What a nice Mommy. Hi. What do you think? Oh, those are the ones I did already. What a nice Mommy. Oh, did you see that? Someone just clipped someone's nail. Don't bite me. What a good girl. Oh my goodness, what a good girl. Oh, I know. That was a good girl. What a good girl, huh? Yeah, I'm very proud of you. Can we do one more? How far can I push it? Good girl. What a nice Mommy. What a nice mama. Hi. Hi. You guys impressed that I got some of the Yeti Towns clipped? Hi. Oh, you're so cute. And it did not get Yeti'd. Ruffy Trap. You're so cute. Where are you going, Mama? Don't teach your babies to do that. Don't teach your babies to do that. It's fluffing my nose. Oh, so cute. The kittens and I had some good downstairs time today. I'll try Mama again tomorrow. Her new thing has been trying to rush the door. But when the door's open, she doesn't really seem to want to go anywhere. She just wants to see what's out there. There you go, Mums. Mommy needs some me time. Where are you going? Hi. You're so cute. Oh, Creamy, was that embarrassing? Oh, tabbies are fighting. Hi, Sphinx. How are your toenails? My chubby friend. Oh, I did yours recently. I know I did a couple of them recently, but it's always hard to remember. Ears. Oh, they look so good. Oh, they're so clean. Mouse. How's your mouse? Oh, it looks good. What a good boy. What a good boy. Truffy Truff. Mouse. Oh, what a good girl. Look at your ears. Ew. Adorable. Little cool ears. What's Valbert? Oh, Valbert. Valbert's trying to dismantle the wall. Most of the moms at this stage like having some alone time. Now that the babies are eating kibble, the dynamic might change a little bit. There may be less frequent milkbar. Pumpkin, where's Pumpkin? It's an orange foot. And an upside down sprinkle. Oh, you got me. Truffs. Oh, truffles. These guys are all going to be lap cats. They are. They just are. Some are, some aren't. The Firefly kittens weren't as lappy. River was. Washi Poo was, I think, but they weren't as lappy. Petunia's kittens were very lappy. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. I got an adorable picture of Panther today. Upside down. Tummy side up. Hi, Queen. Oh, you're so cute. Mommy's making her way up to the windowsill. Awkwardly, sort of. I should move the monitor. Oh, Truffs, how am I supposed to get up when you're so cute? You know where I should put you in a little basket. Oh, little Truffs is so sweet. Okay, into your little basket where no one will see you. You were asleep. Alright. Truffs is very sleepy. Put her up here. Hey, Mama. Should I move fast? I'll wait tomorrow. Oh, little Truffs. She's so sleepy. Oh, alright, you can go back in your box. You need to put the box in there. She's got somewhere to be. That's a good spot. Alright. Oh, little troughs. Little troughs. Oh, here you go. Is that what you wanted? Okay. You're so cute. What are you doing? You're so silly. Get it. Alright, we got lots of food, toys, sleepy kitties. Oh, they're so sleepy. Mommy's watching from the windowsill. It's a good spot for her. Pretty mean. What you doing? Alright. Oh, I need to bring that bed up here at some point. Alright. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Hold on. Alright, very good. on. Oh, you're so sweet. Adorable. Alright, good night everybody.